Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Ram Ladoo. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started. For this, we need half cup split chickpeas, half cup split and skinned green gram, 1/4 cup split and skinned black gram lentil, and salt as per taste. Now for the recipe, wash and soak the 3 dals for 2 hours. Sieve the water out of the 3 dals and transfer the 3 dals in a blender. Blend the 3 dals with no or minimum amount of water. Transfer the blended dal in a big bowl and whisk continuously in one direction for 6 to 7 minutes. This is done to aerate the mixture. To check if the mixture is aerated or not, take a spoon of the mixture and drop it in a bowl of water. If it floats, then it is aerated, otherwise whisk for some more time. Next, add salt and 3 spoons of mint and coriander chutney. The link for the recipe of mint and coriander chutney is in the description below. Mix everything together. Next, heat oil in a wok on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add small scoops of dal mixture. Add as many as possible. Flip the laddus after 3 to 4 minutes and fry them from the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once golden brown, take them out using a spider to drain out the excess oil. You can hear the crispiness of the laddus. And if I open one of them from the middle, you can see the webs in the middle. This indicates the softness due to aeration in the mixture. Your Ram Ladoos are now ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, on a plate add a spoon of mint and coriander chutney and hit it with the back of a spoon. Add some grated daikon radish on top of it. Place prepared ladoos and add more radish on top of the ladoos. Add more mint and coriander chutney and chaat masala. Add one more layer of ladoos and repeat the garnishing. Repeat this process for one more layer. Garnish it with chopped coriander on top. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, in a martini glass, add some green chutney and grated radish. Add prepared ladoos, radish and green chutney. Repeat this process for one more layer. Sprinkle some chaat masala and chopped coriander on top of it. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, in a short glass, add mint and coriander chutney. Place a laddu on top of the glass. Add radish and green chutney on top of the laddu. Repeat this for 5 glasses. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top of each glass. Place these glasses on a platter. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.